Hey everyone, I got my camera all set up. I got it facing towards me this time. I'm talking in a nice natural voice indeed. And normally I'll turn my camera around like so, and you should hear everything now towards the right hand side, all the way towards this side as I'm moving the camera. But since now I fixed everything correctly, maybe you hear me better. I'm not sure. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is where my camera is at. And normally what happens is when my camera is facing this particular way and I'm talking to everybody, the sound is on this side of the camera. So wouldn't the sound be on this side of the camera if it's facing me? Well, right now, hopefully, I fixed my issue. I drilled some nice large holes. I'm going to drill larger holes just in case it doesn't fix the issue. Pressing down hard on this, will it give the issues? I'm not sure. I watched a number of videos out there, and not anyone has the issue I have. So I'm not sure what's happening. Maybe I got that lucky camera. So this is my update. Hours later, camera settled down. Hopefully the sound will be much better. I know it's right next to me, hand's length away, but right now it's arm's length away. I love going through detailed information. On that note, you'll have a good night now. Catch you guys later.